Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for a bit. If you're new, I'm Laura. White is a white puppy dog, and you may see a little bit of Xena. We're so happy you're here, and we hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out for the long haul. Today, I am super excited because my Spring Fab Fit Fun box is here, and I went a little bit crazy with this one and bought so many extras. So we are going to dig right into my box. If you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box. It comes out seasonally. I'm a spring summer girl, so I tend to go a little bit crazier once the weather starts to change. It's $59.99 a season. It'll drop down a little bit if you buy the whole year at a time. If I can get my box open here. Then it gets a little bit cheaper. It drops to $54.99 or $219.99 annually. If you use my link, you will get $10 towards your first box. For that, you get 6 to 8 full-size products, and you get so many customizations, and you can always do add-ons, which is what I did this time. So if you can't decide between two, you get to add extras, and they are discounted. And I love the detail that they put into all of the items as you get to take a look at them. They tell you all about the products, what the value is of them. So much goodness. I just love it. All right, let's check all of this out. All right, so let's dig in. And if you hear anything, we are having like extreme weather right now. It is raining really hard, windy, loud. So if you see the puppers react, that's probably what they're reacting to. All right, so I have all my items. As I said, I went a little bit crazy, and there are so many things in here, and I am super excited to share them with you. All right, first up, sunglasses, which I definitely do not need on a day like today, but I am sure one of you is at someplace sunny while you're watching this. These are the Kate Spade Samantha sunglasses. Come in this nice little Kate Spade little cover, and these are cute. They say, add a classic accessory to your look with this pair of protective, stylish, and cool sunglasses from Kate Spade. We love the black frames and semi-gradient lenses. The MSRP is $129. Oh, those are cute. I like these. It says that they have the soft dust bag. They're 100% UV protection, not polarized, and that they are from a female. They're obviously a female-founded company, and cellulose propionate. I can't say the material. Cellulose propionate. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong, but these fit me really nicely. I like these. They're not hitting my cheeks. They feel light, nice and light. Let me know what you think. I'm enjoying them. These were obviously with, these were a customization. They're my pick. They usually give you like 6 items to choose from. When you get into your customizations, you should log in early because they start to sell out as soon as the customization window opens, which I try to do as soon as I get my email. I will try to log in. And then if you want extras, as I said, you can pick them. So this was the first of my customizations. All right, so next up, we have, I'm going to try to go in the order that I have these pictures. So this is, yeah, this one. This is the Earth Arbor Azure Regenerative Neck Cream. So this is retail price $48. It says it's one of the first places we see aging is on our neck because so often we don't treat it the same as the skin on our face. This regenerative cream keeps your décolleté and neck looking just as useful as the rest of you. It is seaweed, amino acids, copper peptides, and it's 2 full ounces and also from a female-founded company. Here's what this looks like. Oh, it smells so nice. Here's what it looks like, and I will be anxious to try that out. The total value of my box is $518.99 for everything that I got, And I believe I spent just under $100 total for everything. All right, so next up is the, I believe this is the Tula. Yeah, this is the vitamin C. It says is the unsung hero of the beautiful complexion. And this is the Tula Skincare Brightening Treatment Drops, Triple Vitamin C. It brightens an even skin tone, and this product includes prebiotics, probiotics, and more. We love these drops from Tula with 2 types of vitamin C for a treatment that doesn't quit. Vitamin C is supposed to be so good for the skin. It's good for balanced, mature, oily combination, dry skin. It's 1 ounce and also from a female-founded company. All right, what else did I get? Fenty Beauty. I have a Fenty Beauty product in here. So, love Fenty Beauty. This is obviously by Rihanna. It's the portable contour and concealer brush. The MSRP on this one is $24. Check out the case. It says, channel your inner makeup guru. Check that out. With this incredibly natural looking contour and concealer brush from Fenty Beauty, simply apply your product of choice, then blend using this Rihanna approved brush. And this comes up, you see that? Or you just push it down to use the brush. Pull it up to put the lid on. How cool is that? Love that extra feature. All right. Next, I have from Honest Beauty. This is the Extreme Length Mascara Lash Primer. This MSRP is $17.99. It says, take your lashes to the extreme with this lengthening mascara from Honest Beauty. You can evenly apply primer along your lashes, wait 30 seconds, and top it off with a few coats of rich black mascara. It says the color is black, which I love. This one is 0.2 full ounces of primer. And obviously this is also from a female-founded company, Jessica Alba, I believe. Where is my scissors? Here they are. The extreme wind we are having is just crazy, is blowing everything outside everywhere. It's just unbelievable. So here's what it looks like. And this one has a primer built into it. How cool is that? There we go. Multifunctional. I love it. Okay. And then next up, I have for you moisturizer. So this one is by Summer Fridays. I love Summer Fridays. A $45 MSRP. It says, say I do to this must-have moisturizer featuring 3 types of hyaluronic acid. It's the perfect prep product no matter your skin type. It says wear it alone, or if you're more oily, or if as a hydrating precursor to a heavier cream if you're on the drier side. Here's what it looks like. This is 1.7 ounces. It's for dry, combo, or normal skin. And it has hyaluronic acid complex, amino acids, and pineapple enzyme. So this one does not have a smell at all. And it's nice and lightweight. All right. Next. And remember, I have more than 8 products because I did a ton of add-ons. All right, next up I have from Too Faced. This is eyeliner. It's Better Than Sex eyeliner, 24-hour non-fading long wear. And this is an MSRP of $24. To create a wow-worthy cat-eye look when you swipe the liner on your eyelids, the felt tip pen helps deliver a straight line every time, and the formula is highly pigmented with the ultimate smudge-proof, flake-proof, and 24-hour staying power. So I decided to try this. It's cheaper than I can buy it at the drugstore when I got it from them. So that's why I decided to add it into my collection for this month. Next up, I needed some shampoo and conditioner. So I ended up adding the Amica Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo, as well as the conditioner. This MSRP is $52 for both. You add moisture and shine to your locks this year with this dynamic duo, infused with hyaluronic acid and squalene. The hydrating shampoo and conditioner gently cleanse and drench hair with more hydration than ever. It's good for dry, textured, or coarse hair types. It's color safe and keratin safe. And these are each 9.2 full ounces. All right. I was like stocking up, wasn't I? All right, the next thing is really cool. I saw these and I decided to get these for my kitchen. They are valued at $40 and they're 4 placemats. Check these out. I love these. So there's 4 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're 19 inches by 14 inches. It says by 2 inches. And the materials are machine wash, cold on gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry low. It says do not dry clean. It's also by a female founded company. It says bring out these striped placemats for year-round dinner parties, backyard soirees, or just a simple meal at home to really ground your dining aesthetic. I thought these were pretty and would go with my kitchen. So I added them. These are by Keim. Cool, right? Love them. And they, yes, as I mentioned, $40 is the MSRP for all 4 of them. Not bad, $10. I think that feels like the right, that's not what I paid for being in this box, but $10 a placement doesn't seem too bad. All right, and then next, I have the Ultimate Moisturizer. This is by Kate Somerville. This is the Skin Health Expert Sensitive Skin Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. All right, so this is, it says, the ultimate in moisture, this goat milk infused moisturizing cleanser prevents your skin from being stripped of its natural oils, so you're on your hydrating journey right from the pump. It's for dry skin. For dry to normal, sorry, from dry to normal. So it's a moisturizing cleanser. It's a cleanser. I'm going to take a look at this. I always need a face cleanser. So here's what it looks like. And I like that it's moisturizing because I can tell you as soon as I wash my face, it's immediately dry and I have the need to put moisturizer on my face. So I'll be interested to see if that changes with this. All right, that is everything except for the lipstick, which is the last item. And this one is by McGrath. And this is $39 MSRP. Check out how cute. It comes in this little case that you need to unwind. It says it is a highly pigmented, long-wearing lipstick. With a creamy matte texture, this unique oil-infused powder formula creates a lush, soft focus effect. The colors are simply swoon-worthy and have a serious staying power all day. Cruelty-free, female-founded as well. I love the case, the little lips. Here's the color. I love that. Let's try it. What do you think? I like it. This is a great color. $39 for the McGrath. But that's not what you pay inside the Fab Fit Fun, so I love it. I feel like everything is like deeply discounted whenever you can get it inside this box. And that is everything that I have. I made it to the bottom of my box. What did you think? I went a little crazy, right? I did. I had fun with this one. All right, so what did you think? I loved it. I'm loving my sunglasses, so I can't wait to wear them. I'm loving the lipstick. I'm set for beauty products for a while now, right? So I've got the facial cleanser. I've got neck cream. I have face cream. I have vitamin C drops. I've got mascara. I have my beauty brush. I have eyeliner. And I did have somewhere primer as well. Plus I have shampoo and conditioner. So I feel like I am completely set for all things that I need, right? Let me know what you thought. Please do comment down below. I'll put my link down below for Fab Fit Fun as well. If you'd like to give it a try, you'll get $10 off if you use my link. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like before you go. Please hit that subscribe as well. It really helps me continue to do this. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing support. I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.